How to fix Google Play Music playback error. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Google Play Music playback error. So guys, for this, you have to make sure that your internet connection is on. And the second step is you have to go to your mobile settings. And then now you have to go to install apps or app manager. Here is it, install apps. I will go to install apps and then search for Google Play Music. So here is it. Click here and guys, you can see here force stop button. Click on force stop and press OK, and then you can see your storage. Click on storage and then you have to clear all the data here. Now go back. You can see here app permission. Click on app permission and you have to allow all the permission. Now guys, go back to the settings. And guys, you can see here about phone. Click on about phone and then you can see here system update. Click on system update and wait for a while. Guys, see whether there is anything to update. You have to update it. So, and then restart your phone, reopen the phone. The problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.